Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be looking at how to add links and discussion in Schoology. And if it's the first time you're joining us, we look at online tools, platforms, and resources that might be beneficial to teachers. Enjoy! We're going to be adding the discussion first, so go to courses, click it. Then once the drop box appears, you're going to select the appropriate subject. You're going to click the folder. And it will bring you inside of that particular folder. Go to Add Materials and scroll down to Add Discussion. Once you click it, it will bring you to a page that will allow you to put in the necessary information as it relates to what you'd like your students to discuss. Alright, so this is the page. So that's where you put the description of what you want your students to discuss. There are other things that you may add that include photos and links. Another good thing is that you're able to put a date that you'd like the students to accomplish this work by, and so you can go ahead and click the calendar, and that will allow you to do that. Alright, so once you have done that, this is what it looks like. Next, we're going to add a link. Go to Add Materials, scroll down to Add Link. You have three options. You can add a file, a link, or an external tool. In this case, we're adding a link. Now, what I have done, I already copied my link, so I'm going to paste it here. It says link URL, so that's what you're going to paste. Next, I'm going to give it a title. And you want to choose a title that is appropriate and suitable to the information that will be provided once the students click the link. In this case, it is How to Pass Chemistry, because that is what the video is about. Once I'm through adding the title, I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of the page and then click Add. And this is what the end product looks like. So I have created my discussion and I have created a link. I hope this tutorial was helpful and thank you for watching.